Drowning in LinkedIn ads data and struggling to make sense of it all? Let's transform the chaos into clarity with Looker Studio. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Click on Create in the top left corner. Then select Report. Now it's time to connect your LinkedIn ads data. Search for LinkedIn ads in the connector list and select it. Authorize Looker Studio to access your LinkedIn ads account. This will involve logging into your LinkedIn account and granting the necessary permissions. Choose the specific LinkedIn ads account you want to report on. After selecting your account, you'll see a list of available metrics and dimensions. Looker Studio will automatically create a basic table. Let's customize this. Drag and drop the metrics you want to track, like impressions, clicks, and conversions, into the metrics section. Similarly, add dimensions like campaign name or audience to the dimension section. Experiment with different chart types: bar charts for comparing campaign performance, line charts for tracking trends over time, and pie charts for audience demographics. Add filters to drill down into specific campaigns, audience segments, or time periods. Use scorecards to highlight key metrics at a glance. Congratulations, you've built a powerful LinkedIn ads report in Looker Studio, unlocking data-driven insights to optimize your campaigns and maximize ROI. Now go at those conversions.